Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Halo Infinite campaign. To start your epic adventure, you first need to own the game's campaign. You can purchase it outright or access it through an active Xbox Game Pass subscription. Once you have access, simply launch Halo Infinite and ensure all updates are installed. From the main menu, select the campaign option to dive into the Master Chief's latest mission. It's a straightforward process to get right into the action. Once you've selected campaign, you'll be presented with a couple of options. If you're new to the story or want to restart, choose New Game. This will take you to the very beginning of Master Chief's journey on Zeta Halo. If you've already started and want to pick up where you left off, simply select Continue. Before you jump in, remember to set your preferred difficulty, ranging from easy to the challenging Legendary for the best experience. The Halo Infinite campaign offers a vast open world to explore. As you progress, you'll encounter various objectives beyond the main story. Look for Spartan cores to upgrade Master Chief's shield, grapple shot, and other vital equipment, making him even more formidable. Liberating Forward Operating Bases, or FOB, is crucial. They serve as fast travel points and allow you to call in new weapons and vehicles, enhancing your tactical options across the ring. Halo Infinite's campaign is even better with friends. You can experience the entire story in online co-op with up to 3 other players, making teamwork essential for tackling tougher challenges. If you've finished a mission and realized you missed a collectible, or just want to relive an epic moment, you can easily replay any completed mission from the main menu. This allows for endless exploration and discovery, ensuring you get the most out of your time on Zeta Halo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.